don't have to be perfect at this to make your summer incredible. It's easier than you think, so I don't want you to miss out on this. A quick thing you can do right now to make your summer phenomenal is to change the way you think about your summer. So, changing the mindsets that you have. One thing can be, instead of thinking of all the problems that you have or the things that you do throughout the day, think of them as opportunities. If you have so much free time, you don't know what to do with it, that's an opportunity to go out there and do something. If a problem is that you're really tired, that's an opportunity to get better sleep, to be outside more. If you're feeling lonely, that's an opportunity to not feel lonely. If you don't feel confident, that's an opportunity to feel confident. If you don't feel happy, that's an opportunity to stop being sad. Feel better. So start thinking about this. What are the opportunities that I have that I can do over the summer? Not just, what are the things that I could do but I won't? Think of them. Identify yourself as someone who will do these things, who takes advantage of the opportunities that they have. That's the first step. You can do this right now. It's probably one of the hardest parts, just thinking of yourself as someone who can do these things, believing that it's possible. Once you do that, it surprisingly gets easy. And then after that, you just take some small little steps and then you're pretty much there. You have so much free time now. Use your surroundings, what's around you, to your advantage. If you don't have money, that's an opportunity to make some money, to start working, start trying out new things. By the way, if you're interested in money or making YouTube videos, anything like that, check the description. Now that you believe and characterize yourself as someone who can do these things, who takes advantage of the opportunities that are presented to them over the summer, you can actually start planning out what you want to do. My summer right now, 2025, feels so packed because I'm doing things that I want to do. It's packed in a good way, by the way, because I've been able to take advantage of the opportunities that I had. I didn't know what I was going to do over the summer, so I filled it up with things I wanted to do. If I didn't have money, I filled that up with making money. If I felt like I was going to be alone, I filled things up with being with people. Also, you can join the free like-minded club in the description to connect with hundreds of people. Things I've been able to do recently: going to the pool, which was so fun, being able to play basketball with my friends, ping pong, diving in the pool, just spending time at my friend's house to relax, especially now that this year I can drive. So being able to drive to different places, simple things, little things, just rolling the windows down, driving around some peaceful road, that just makes it in itself. And then on top of that, I get to do so many other things. I've been able to do a lot of things because I've just spent time really thinking about what would I want to do over the summer. Also thinking about goals, setting monthly goals, which gives me a reason to wake up because I have things that I want to do, that I know if I complete, I will feel amazing. Going on side quests, exploring the forests and areas around me, trying different things even if I don't expect it to work. The reason why I've been able to feel so positive about summer in general is just my mindset, the way I think about myself, the way I think about others, and the way I think about my whole life. A part of that also is just saying yes, being open to new experiences, challenges. Don't make excuses. Don't do things that you can do anytime during the school year or when you're at work. You can either just sit inside, wait for something to happen to you, scrolling on your phone, or you could try to make something cool happen in your life. Would you rather have those endless possibilities where you don't know, you want to wake up because you don't know what lies ahead of you? You're excited about every single day. Or you can just have no desire to wake up, no care about what day it is or how nice it is outside. It's all about your mindset. Take small steps toward this day by day and enjoy doing it. Hope you can think about this. Peace.